难的哦。啊，总电源。
First, we need to turn on the power switch.
还有总电源就是这个就是电脑开关。
This is the total power switch. Is also the computer power switch.
然后进入界面。
And then click into the interface.
所有机台复位。
The first thing we need to do is let the entire machine reset. Create all assets reset.
打开电脑软件。
And then open the system software. This is the alignment system interface.
机台复位，关掉对位机台复位。
First, turn off the automatic and then click home button.
然后我们就是要把这个机头放下来。这个。
This process is like the printing arm job. Click job this button.
然后我们就是准备加网板，两边的手臂可以移动的。
Before printing, we have to roll the spring mesh, and this both can be adjusted according to your spring size.
好，然后是这边的啊，我们要把机头放中间，这里有个左右键。
这是什么界面呢？
这个是印刷界面。
Then
这个印刷界面。
we enter the printing setting interface and let the printing head to the center of the printing table. Like.
把机头移到中间，架好网板，我们可以把这些所有的固定件把它锁紧。
After roll the spring, and this is the tightened button. Tighten button, and this is the air clamp switch.
这个是夹网板的小气缸，网板放在里面可以把它夹上来。
说了。
说了是吧？好，这个是一个微调。网板如果说位置没对好，我们可以微调的。
This button is fine tuning for the spring mesh. If you think the spring mesh is not good, and you can twist this button and then to make it adjustment.
然后我们就要进入显示屏的界面，做到我们有一个调景相机。这里，调景相机，打开这个调景相机界面，左右移动，找到我们该需要的 mark 点。
And let's go to the alignment section interface and click adjustment, and then there are some buttons to
左右都可以
adjust the position to find the marked point.
好，然后我们有一个就是要找到我们的 mark 点，就是打个比方，我们在这里点入锤，先用鼠标画个圈圈。
For example, this is the mark point on your material, and then we made
取
the
样
sampling target manual
搜
sampling
索，
and search.
移动十字靶标，
Then moved cross.
OK，
Okay.
两
The
边都一
same
样
weight
的啊。
as the drive size.
然后进入校准，
And then celebration.
也指到这个它会动。
The printing table can be moved.
校准完成，点在手动对位。
After the celebration, and
Yeah,
need to
I wish I
click
suppose.
the manual button. After the celebration is successful, and there's a pass signal. Pass signal, that means celebration is successful.